back to my channel. So for today's video is all about a makeup review. I just bought this makeup palette from Shopee and I was wondering if I could open it with you guys. So let's just see and let's open this. Sana hindi naman siya epic.
Oh my god!
Kagaya ng dati.
Okay. Oh my god, it's actually broken.
Okay, naka-sealed na naman siya. It's probably James Charles makeup palette. Open it! I'm so excited to try new colors of the palette because lagi na lang red ang aking colors. So here it is, the James Charles palette. So here it is, I'm trying to open it. So yep, here it is. I'm gonna try to open it. I really hope na sana hindi siya ganun sa nangyari sa dati. So titingnan na natin kung ano ba talagang nasa loob. Okay guys, I'm not looking but I will just try to see. 1, 2, 3. So excited to try ko is mga color blue. I'm gonna try it. Here is the palette and it has different names, which I am sure that there is a sister there because he called his fans sisters, and I'm sure, oh, here it is the sister study. So yep, I'm gonna try it now. I'm gonna try the blue colors. Guys, as you can see, I've already did my eyebrows and also my lipstick. Only that I didn't put any foundation, so this is probably my real face and it's awful. And I'm gonna try it now. I'm so excited. The first color that I will be trying is the light color first. Maybe I'll just try this pink one first. Over here and try it. So probably my review about this product is it doesn't actually stick in my eye. Hindi siya masyadong pigmented and baka medyo mahirap-hirapan ako mag-blend. So let's just see kung maganda pa yung ibang colors. So the next color that I'll probably try is this blue one because I already told you guys that I want to try the blue colors. So yeah, medyo maganda yung blue ha. Pigmented siya. Ganda. Next color that I will be trying is... it's too hard to choose. Maybe this one? Huwag kayong mag-alala guys, medyo pangit pa siya pag hindi pa siya tapos. Pero pag natapos na at nalagyan na siya ng pilik and also eyeliner, pag nalagyan na siya ng eyeliner, gaganda na to. That's the magic of makeup. So it's done and the next color that I will be using is this one. Then, after this, I will be trying this darker color. So, kung napapansin nyo guys, pag nag-eyeshadow ako, usually, ang ginagawa ko is light dito, Then here is I will try to darken it. That's my technique in doing eyeshadows. I'm gonna try it now, this dark one, this color black. See? Oh. Try to blend it out. Oops. I'm gonna try to fix it. And after I apply that, I'll just try to use this one. By the way, I'm using a small brush now for the details. Next thing is I'll try this color yellow thing for the outline. Well, I think it's kind of awful. I don't really like it, so I'm gonna try to put it out. Just that. Then the next is I will be just trying to put some down here. Use this again. I look funny, so I'm gonna try to look beautiful while doing this. Oh god, I still look funny. My eye bags are just popping off. My eyeshadow is finally done. I'll just try to put some highlighter. I think I could use a highlighter on this. I'll just try to use this. Put it in my nose. And also here in my cheeks. So the eyeshadow is finally done, and what I will be doing next is I'm gonna put some eyeliner, then I will try to put some lashes, and let's see the beauty in this eyeshadow. Well, I think it's great now. I think it actually looks amazing right now. Then let's just see how it actually looks like when it's finished. Let's go. Oh, by the way, the eyeliner that I'm actually using is this. It's called Kiss, and I don't know the details yet, but I know it costs for like 700 to 1000. I totally forgot, but my mom is the one who bought this for me, and she was like, "Hey Nika, that eyeliner is too expensive," and I was like, "Why did you even bought it for me if it's too expensive?" And she just told me that nothing, I just want to buy it for you, and I think it's sweet, and also it's too expensive. But you guys, this actually is amazing, and it's pigmented, so I'm gonna use it right now. When you actually watch Frozen, then you're just trying to say that. That after I watched the movie Frozen 2, I was like amazed. Like, Frozen, you've never ever failed to surprise me, and I recommend you guys to watch that movie because Frozen is my favorite, and Frozen 2 is actually amazing. Like, gosh, Elsa is very beautiful there. Even in Frozen 1, but in Frozen 2, she was, gosh, I can't believe that a cartoon character could actually be that beautiful. Finally, they're open up the gates. They'll be actual real life people. It will be totally strange. Why am I so ready for this change? For the first time in forever, I finally understand. For the first time in forever, we can fix it hand in hand. You don't have to live in fear. I didn't think do that anymore. So guys, my eyeliner is done. And the next thing that I will be doing is I'm gonna try to put some lashes. And let's go now. I'm gonna try to put some. Look at the sky, isn't it neat? Would you make my collection? And the last thing that I'll probably try is this flare glitter stuff that you put in your eyes. Can you try to put it now? I'm still awful in putting this stuff in my eyes. It's actually beautiful. See the difference, guys? How beautiful it is. Here and here. I'll probably do some tutorials on how I do my makeup. So go ahead and wait for it, guys. Guys, it's actually done. I'll just try to put some lip gloss on my lips. So guys, finally my makeup look is finally done, and I really hope that you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and please subscribe to my channel and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss some of the videos that I will be posting here on my channel. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye bye!
Stay, at least down to the sun goes down.